So in Earth geometry, they can ask you a question like, what is the position of these points? What is the position of these given points? Okay. So for example, the diagram comes, it's written like this. The diagram comes, it's written like that. Okay, it's written like that. Okay. So the diagram comes, it's written like this. Okay. You're supposed to know the points available. So I'll put a line there, another one here, another one here. Then I'm gonna put one here, one there. Okay. So that one will be 30 degrees north. This one will be 45 degrees south. And then this one will be, I'll draw another line here. This one will be 30 degree east. 30 degree west, sorry, not east, west. 30 degree west, 15 degree west. Okay, 15 degree west. So this one is 15 degree west. This one is 30 degree west. And then this one is the 60 degree east. Okay, and then we'll label the points. Let's say the first one is the point P. Here to be point Z. Here, of course, this one will be 0. This latitude will be 0 here. Okay, so we put this one here as P. That position there, it's P. And then here it is T. Okay, so finding these positions, we start with P, position P. P, we always put X and Y coordinate, you remember? X coordinate, then Y coordinate. So question 1 is the position of P. Where is X coordinate in P? We always start with X coordinate, then Y coordinate. P. On the X axis, what is there? You see X axis is this direction. On the X axis, what is in the X axis? 30n. So X axis 30n. X axis 30n, comma, Y axis. What is on the Y axis on P? Y axis on P is this one here. It is 15 degrees west. 15 degrees west. 15 degrees west. Question 2. Z. What's the position of Z? Along the x-axis, what is Z? Along the x-axis, Z is here. This is point Z. Along the x-axis, Z is 45. You see, Z is lying on 45 along the x-axis line. It's lying on 45. So Z is actually lying on 45 south, comma, but on which y-axis is it lying? On the y-axis is lying on 60, this one. It's lying on 60. It's lying on 60 degrees east. So along this x-axis, it is on 60. So it's on 60 degrees east. So it's on 60 degrees east. Closed. We are done with Z. What is remaining now is T. T is here. What's the position of T? What's the position of T? Question 3, we're looking for the position of T. What is T? What is T? First we go x-axis. T on the x-axis is lying on T is here. It's lying on 30 degrees north on the x direction. It's lying on the 30 degrees north. It's lying on the 30 degrees north. 30 degrees north. It's lying on the 30 degrees north. And then y-axis is what? What's the y-axis? Where T is lying? The y-axis is, you see where T is, you check where the two lines intersect. On T, the one that's coming from on top, which is the x-axis, it is 30. 30W. 30W. So here it will be 30W. So it will be 30W. You see? Lastly, question 4, lastly, what is lastly? Position of P, but I've already written P. Let's use another letter here. Let's use the Y, since P I've already used it. Another letter is better. So Y. On the x-axis, where is Y lying? You see this Y is going straight, it's going there to 0 here, 0 degrees. So it means on the x-axis, it is 0 degrees. On the x-axis, it is 0 degrees. On the x-axis, it is what? So position Y on the x-axis is 0 degrees. On the y-axis is lying on what? You see y-axis is on 30 degrees south. It's the same y-axis. 30 degrees west, 30 degrees west. Y is lying on 30 degrees west. That's where the two lines intersect. The one where Y is, the two lines intersect. There's one going to 0, the other one is coming from 30 degrees. So it will be 30 degrees. 30 degrees what? West. $30 west. So 30 degrees west. So it is 0 degrees, comma, 30 degrees west.